Unseen by the bustling city crowd, strange symbols mark sidewalks and buildings. Near the library, a single symbol stands out, a silent harbinger of the unknown. In the hushed library, Sarah delicately handles an ancient manuscript. Her eyes fixate on a strange symbol within the archaic script. With a trembling finger, she traces the symbol, and a sudden chill fills the air. A wave of dread washes over Sarah as the symbol pulsates with eerie energy. The library doors thunder shut, echoing through the night as Sarah stands on the steps. A stranger emerges from the shadows, their words a chilling omen. "You've seen them, now they know you." The stranger melts back into the darkness, leaving Sarah alone with the haunting echo of their words. Dim light casts long shadows across the secret meeting room as Sarah is led inside, her eyes reflecting a mix of apprehension and curiosity. Figures cloaked in shadows huddle around the stone table, their faces hidden, their intentions unclear. The leader steps forward, his piercing gaze fixed on Sarah, and declares, "These symbols, Sarah, are more than just markings, they are the key." He continues with intensity, "The key to unlocking a power long forgotten, hidden deep beneath this very city." Sarah, skeptical, questions the leader's words. "Hidden power? What are you talking about? This sounds like something out of a story."